The game is not dialectical. There is no binary division. There are no opposite teams fighting for the round ball in order to assure their possession and to penetrate the other's defense and goal. There is no red team who struggles to work out the white team's perverse tactics. All of this because we are the sole players on the field. There is just one team composed by a multitude of subjective multitudes. We find ourselves playing an endless game with no future development of its mechanics and laws. It's just a continuous succession of passes from one player to another in the frame of the endless grass field of history. The game is not about how to win, because there is no opponent. The game is not about how to dominate, how to uprise and rule. The game is connection and exchange. The goal of the game is how to connect and how to invest our time and powers in the collective of the team. How to work together. How to pass the ball organically throughout all the diagonals of the field, building the living organisms of the many. Development is limited when one finds her or himself practicing the game alone. No matter of the infrastructure or money and time invested in the practice of the game, its potentialities are constrained by the lack of social or collective cohesion. Progress is limited when individuals are dispersed, detached from one another's practice areas. The fluidity of the passes, the hegemony of the ball exchange throughout all the social strata. Therefore, the fluidity and existence of the game itself is suspended both in the cloud of hope for a better future and within the matrix of scholastic conceptualization. With all of these, the ball remains in play, and the game remains present through the dreams of the few ones who, through their innocence and limited life experience, still put their hopes and lives in the potentiality of the people and the game. Embedded in continuous failure and hope, continually revived and continually rewritten, the struggle of the game and the struggle within the game wait for the total connection to happen.